It is just wonderful to be back at INTERGEO after 2 years. Our last in-person meeting here at INTERGEO was 2019, and a lot has changed since then. It's great to see many known faces and a lot of customers and interested parties for the first time. And of course for Navis as well, it have been transformative years. We were half the size of a company. We are 250 people by now. And even more important, it were transformative years because we made a step up from mobile mapping that was card-based to mobile mapping that's entirely wearable. We introduced our Navis VLX that I think has really changed the industry at large by delivering TLS-like quality in a mobile device, and for the first time for a mobile mapping device, being capable of tying into existing surveying workflows, tying into control points, allowing our customers to verify the quality of a mobile scan. And we made a huge step up on the software side too. We launched Navis Albion this spring, and for the first time in the industry, you have a fully end-to-end cloud-based workflow, both for post-processing as well as for quality control, for data alignment, data registration, and all publishing work and viewing work. And I think that has really hit a nerve here. We have seen tons of traffic at our booth. I just saw a huge crowd here listening to Harald Seger's presentation about hybrid workflows. And I think a lot of really good in-depth conversations have been coming out of that. So, altogether, I think we're having a blast here at INTERGEO this year, and it's good to reconnect with everyone.